Hello everyone. We will show you how to program an energy meter. Press any key to start the programming. The screen lights up. Reach the configuration menu using the arrow. Press OK to enter the menu. Step 1 is the setup of the current transformer. The value can be changed using the arrow. Press OK to validate. Then, we will set up the secondary current of the transformer. Select the correct value using the arrow, for instance 5 amps. Validate. Step 2 is the setup of the Modbus address. Select the correct address using the arrow. Validate. Repeat the same to set up the tens, and then the hundreds. Once the address is finalized, press OK to validate. Step 3 is the programming of the baud rate. Again, use the arrow to reach the needed baud rate. Validate. Step 4 is the parity adjustment. You can choose between an even parity, no parity, and an odd parity. Validate. Step 5 is the programming of the stop bits. You can select either 1 or 2 stop bits. Validate. Step 6 is the selection of the power direction. It could be either bidirectional, for energy import and export, or unidirectional, for energy import only. In this example, we will select bidirectional, and press OK to validate. Step 7 is the programming of the tariff input. It could be either 230 volts, or the Modbus tariff. Validate. Click on the back button to exit the programming mode.